Uh, hey man, say man, it's your boy King Zeus. We back. But Sharon's still in the shop. It's a sad day. But she should be back this week. Soon. But you know how we doing it. Since the JDM in the shop, we on a German's tip. We got the Benzo in here. What's up? Tell him what's up, bro.
You out here?
Yeah. But what we doing today, we put in a diverter valve plus on the CC Sport 2011. Something slight. What's on my foot? Bro, stuck on. Ew. She dirty. But you got the sport, so you know. Tell me what's up, bro.
You know, that bitch do zoom, boom, boom on these niggas. And I'm about to get that down pipe next week.
But it's a four-banger, bro. It's a four-banger, don't forget.
It's a four-banger, but that bitch gonna be 400 horsepower soon.
What? Yeah. You wanna say what's up? What, you got YouTube or something? You wanna see the TikTok? Show us the TikTok. You can only show us the TikTok if you gonna follow mine.
Okay, you see?
Who's that? Tell him what it is. Tell him what it is.
If you got to give it to me.
All right, you about to give it to me. All right.
Yeah.
All right, now you gotta follow mine if you gonna put it in there.
Okay, what is it?
Number 2, Turbo. Shenron, SHENRON.
Oh, so you, okay, I got
Cars
you.
and everything.
Okay, I'm feeling. Okay.
Tap in. We gonna be on YouTube soon. For sure. Y'all drive safe. Yeah. You know how they like it. Well, you know how it is. Tell them how it is when a white woman see a little shirt. All right, give it some. Something slight. Don't burn up all your gas stuff. Just get at.
Here we go.
She wanna be a German so bad. Look
you
at
gotta
her.
go back to the house.
Yeah, we gotta go back to the house. Look at her. She's a beaut. Gotta get some rims on her.
No disrespect. Let me see the thing, bro.
Did I pocket that?
Sure you
Probably did. You know me. So what, you just hit 100,000 miles, right? It's still clean in here for 100,000 miles, bro. No cap.
No, I gotta clean it again.
Yeah, we gotta fix that sound. But the band's long gone. This is what we will be installing today. Go Fast Bitch Performance Diverter Valve Plus. And as Cave will always mention to tell me, this is a real one. They sell fake ones.
Real one, my nigga.
They sell fake ones. They open up like McDonald's boxes. This is the real deal.
Like a motherfucking Big Mac.
This open up like an apple pie. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I will show y'all how to put this together in a second. Yep. So, I mean, reading the instructions is one thing, but doing it is a whole different. So, pull this plastic piece. It all really depends on what your factory diverter valve actually looks like. On the instructions, his is revision D. So you just pull on the plastic cap, pull that out, and then you just put this, we'll put it on top of it. pull the plastic cap, then you pull the spring. I think this stays in here. Yeah. You just pull the plastic cap, pull the spring. So then it already has the gasket. I mean, that's what it looks like.
Hold on. We gotta figure out which one I got, because
This
I don't
one.
think it's that one. Because look at it.
But it's nothing like these other ones. That's why I said that.
For resiliency, you pull out the piston from the bottom and remove the spring, then remove the piston shroud. This should usually be pulled by hand, but if it's tight, you can put a flathead screwdriver. Pull on the back end.
Yeah. So yellow O-ring stays. Because this doesn't come
Well,
off.
what does it say? Does it say anything on it about it being revision A, B, or D, or C?
No, that's why you just look at what it looks like. Because they're all going to have the same body, but it's depending on the cap. The cap is different for each one. So you got revision D, which is just plastic cap. It could just look different by a year for that one, but I wouldn't stress too much about it. So then you got new piece, whatever the hell that's called. Spring. Ew. Pop the spring on there. Pop that in there. Pop the go fast bit on there. Then pop this in there. Yeah, because that should be right there for that one.
Okay, it's not going on.
It's not going all the way on there yet.
So then it just needs to come
So
on.
maybe that does have to come off. So get that flathead screwdriver. That's what it said. We might be able to pop this off. Because maybe that's where red. Oh, I got it off my hand. Never mind. Strong arm man. Alright, so spring already on there. So now we got this. Okay.
That's the new spring?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, right there. So then you look at the bottom. See that little
Oh,
tab right
yeah.
there?
Yeah.
So you just line that up. Now, I did see some videos where it said some of them click in and just stay, and others,
Some of them got a hole.
yeah. But our shit real, so this shit should just click and stay for the money we pay for, right? So that's okay. Very good. That's what the fuck. For the money we pay, it should click in place. All right. So there's that part. It's already got the gasket on it. So now we got the spring and this piece.
A little bit of.
Yeah, we gotta take some oil and put it on there. We don't have no hold on.
A little bit of this on.
Dude, you can just get regular oil, dude.
It's the same fucking thing.
But actually, slow shit.
It don't need a bunch of oil on it. That's why I was just getting on my finger.
No, I'm saying like actually.
This nigga wanna do this.
Alright, she's lubed. It doesn't. It's not that specific, sorry. See? Pop that in there. It should be Gucci. Then we got our new 3 screws. So yeah, you buy yours. and it doesn't just pop in place and stay like this one, and it open up like a Big Mac.
Your shit came from China. Call Ching Chang Chow to come get that shit back.
All right, diverter valve. Will came out. All of this. Safety glasses, kids, always.
You get that top one?
Huh? I loosened it a little bit already.
These loose down here.
But
Not out here.
watch your hand. Move your hand real quick. So as y'all can see, this should be your diverter valve.
I could give him a better view.
Okay, give him a better view then.
Alright, y'all. So right there,
Is it?
you see his finger is on the diverter valve. You got one screw there. Another screw.
Top.
You gotta get the last one at the top. That's the motherfucking sensor right there, that red thing. It was a son of a bitch to get off without the right tools.
It's not really right to it. It's more so just a bunch of
There's
corrosion.
a bunch of bullshit on it. So, got the hell off. But it's pretty fucking dirty out here. You see how little that turbo is.
Don't forget, she's German. I switch, baby. Hit it. Go, go. Shit. Go.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
Hit it. Hey man, as always, thank y'all for tapping in, man. Stay safe, stay smooth, and God bless. See y'all in the next video.